Some private health centers are preparing to welcome citizens who have already made appointments to receive their COVID-19 vaccines. 11 health centers can now administer the jab free of cost. Now, our news team visited a couple of the facilities who are bracing for the public come Monday.
Jamaicans seeking to get vaccinated can visit one of 11 private health facilities across the island in addition to the public vaccination sites to get the COVID-19 jab. The Windsor Wellness Center in St. Andrew is among the facilities. Clinical Director Renee Brown says a new area has been retrofitted to facilitate the process.
Come Monday, the 4th of October, bright and early, you can come to Windsor Wellness and expect to have the Johnson & Johnson vaccine administered to you. We start with that one, and then we will take on the AstraZeneca and the Pfizer once that one becomes available to us.
She says they've already been receiving calls about appointments which are done via telephone or through the Ministry of Health's website. The Vane Centers on Lady Musgrave Road is another location. They also have a similar process. Physician Hilary Brown says walk-ins can be facilitated. She described the process, which should start on Monday.
There's an app that the Ministry of Health provides to us, and so all the registration goes into that database and can be immediately uploaded for us to cross-reference and for us to check their identification. And then once that's done, they come into an area where they will have education. And we have videos that are provided to us by the Ministry of Health.
The Ministry of Health added the 11 facilities amidst criticisms of overcrowding at the fixed vaccination sites and to increase access to the vaccine as the government pushes to inoculate 1.9 million people come March 2022. But according to the ministry, over 738,000 people have already received the jab. The private health centers will facilitate people needing their first and second doses. Javon Keys, TVJ News.
To a primetime news follow-up now. The Manchester Health Department reached out to our news center after our story last evening about errors on vaccination cards from the parish. The department says persons who have detected errors on their card can contact them via email at manchesterservices11@gmail.com or by phone on 876-962-7033 and 876-625-3433.